My fellow St. Martiners, the Ebola virus is a severe, often fatal illness in humans. The current outbreak is believed originated in Guinea in December 2013. The outbreak has reached community transmission and it impacts 2 additional countries, namely Liberia and Sierra Leone. In August 2014, the Emergency Committee of the World Health Organization declared that the Ebola outbreak in West Africa constitutes an extraordinary event and a public health risk to other countries, that the possible consequences of further international spread are particularly serious. Ebola is considered a public health emergency of international concern. The government of St. Martin has been working to put the necessary plans and protocols in place, along with our stakeholders and partners, in order to protect the public health of the St. Martin community. These plans are in line with our international obligations to the World Health Organization with respect to the international health regulations. On October 23rd, the West African country of Mali reported its first confirmed case of Ebola. Senegal and Nigeria have officially been declared by the WHO as Ebola-free. This is a reminder that this disease can be contained and defeated. The situation surrounding Ebola is fluid, and one must be prepared to take the necessary measures deemed necessary to keep St. Martin safe. Per advice of the health officials of the Ministry of Public Health, Social Development and Labor, St. Martin hereby issues a travel ban, entry and transit to all persons that have traveled in the past 21 days to, from, and through the following countries where the outbreak is not contained, namely Guinea, Liberia, Sierra Leone, and the Democratic Republic of Congo. This travel ban will also apply to persons who have been in contact with a suspected or confirmed Ebola case from affected Ebola countries. The travel ban will remain in effect until the areas and countries are declared Ebola-free by the World Health Organization. In addition, for boats, cruise ships coming in, no boat or ship that has a person or persons on board that fit the profile will be allowed to come to shore. No passenger on the boat or ship will be allowed to disembark the ship. Incoming flights with suspect cases will be allowed to land, refuel, and return to the country of origin. A person or persons returning from Ebola-affected countries that are registered on St. Martin will be allowed to enter St. Martin under the condition that they are quarantined for at least 21 days upon arrival. In conclusion, you cannot get Ebola easily. Ebola is not an airborne disease. You cannot get it through casual contact with someone. The only way you can get this disease is by coming into direct contact with the bodily fluids and secretion of someone with symptoms. The incubation period from time of infection to symptoms is 2 to 21 days. This measure taken is to ensure that the people of St. Martin are protected and that the economy of this country is not impacted negatively in any form or fashion with respect to the Ebola virus disease. Thank you, and God bless the nation of St. Martin.